guys, what's up? I have a very cool update on the Alpha, and that is that I've just got these super cool side skirts. These side skirts are an original product by Alfa Romeo, and they are part of the full body kit you can get as an exterior accessory for the Brera. The more and more pictures I saw of this kit, the more I thought this would be perfect for the Alpha. Some time ago I posted pictures of this kit on Instagram, and some people liked it, some people didn't like it. Most people were like, don't do it. And I do think the press photos of the body kit are not showing them in the best way possible. However, I saw some pictures on the internet of a few Breras with this styling kit, and I thought it looked absolutely stunning. I saw a side-by-side picture of two Breras, of which one had the kit and one didn't. And I thought that the one with the kit looked really badass, and together with the fact that these are genuine parts by Alfa Romeo made me really want to get these for my car. So first I'm gonna test fit these side skirts to check if they fit the car correctly, and if they do, then I can send them away to get painted together with my license plate holder that also still needs to get painted. So yeah, let's start. The kit also comes with a manual, and it shows you how to install these. It also shows you this really cool picture of the Alpha with the front body kit, and that one together with the rear bumper kit. Those I definitely want to get because I think they look absolutely insane. So yeah, pretty cool manual. So guys, the side skirts are test fitted, and luckily they fit well. There's a little bit of tension or stress in this surface of the side skirt, but when they are getting properly installed using adhesive silicones and two-sided tape, they all should align perfectly. I'm really happy with the look that these side skirts add to the Alpha, because they give the car a much wider and lower look, The lines of the side of the car used to go really inward, like they really follow this line, but now these lines flare out much wider, giving it really that wide and badass look, and I'm really loving it. So I'm really happy with this upgrade, and now I can get these painted and hopefully soon install them on the Alfa. Hey guys, what's up? So the side skirts are installed and I think they look so amazing. They make the car look really wide and much lower than before. So I'm really loving it. Unfortunately I didn't film the process of installing the side skirt, because with the adhesive and filming it was just very hard. So hopefully the pictures give a bit of an insight to how they are fixed. Basically they are fixed with 3 bolts on the chassis. So you have the chassis and you have a clamp on 3 spots of the side skirt, and they are bolted together, so they are stuck on the chassis, and the rest is done with adhesive silicone. And I used Sikaflex, which is an elastic adhesive, so it's safe for vibrations and stuff. So and now fast forward 500 kilometers further, they are still on the car, so that's a good point, and of a good thing, and hopefully they stay fixed, but I believe that should be okay. And I'm really loving this look, and I'm actually thinking of getting the front and rear spoiler kit as well, because I think that will make the car even more beefy. The Brera on its own is already a chunky car, but now with this kit it looks even more badass. So I'm really loving it. So let me know what you guys think, and should I get the rest of the kit as well, or should I leave it like this? So please let me know. I've also one more cool thing coming for the Brera, and that is that I finally found 2 facelifted front seats for the Brera. So really looking forward to getting those done. They came from a Spider, so and they are cloth, so they need to get reupholstered in the same leather color as Brenda has now. So really looking forward to getting those done, because that means that after that this Brera is basically transformed to a facelifted Brera. So I'm really looking forward to that. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you next video. Bye.